video. Today we are playing Airplane Story, and this is Airplane Story 1. I think it goes up to like 4. So yeah. I joined the wrong one. Wait, hold on. Anyway, sorry about that. Now we have a decent size server. We'll get into this on these people. Now we just have to waiting game because all the seats are full. Full plane. Hopefully at least. G14. Right here. Dang it, I got an aisle C. I don't want an aisle C. At least someone sits right next to me. I wanted a window seat. But now, no window seat. Sad. Hello. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33 feet above the sea. The weather looks good, which means we are arriving in no time to our destination. Hopefully. Feel free to explore the plane. Will do. What is this thing here? 8254. Maybe that will be. I can't even say that. 8254. Remember that number. 8254. Now please find your seat, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Yes, I did it at the last second. I feel bad for the person who didn't make it in the seat in time. I lost half of their hope. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. Yeah, they better because I'm hungry. I wonder if anyone got my friend. I'm just gonna say sorry, I wasn't reading down there. I hope you guys read it. ... I'm not feeling very well. Ooh, sandwich. I'm not eating a sandwich. Oh, she's allergic to peanut butter. Oh no, we're putting the flying baggage for her medicine. Where is this baggage? I'm gonna sit back in my seat now. You've explored too much. Good afternoon to all passengers. Unfortunately, we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. And then the screen goes black. Okay. I can deal with that. I can definitely deal with that. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. You still have a few hours to go. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I've noticed that. Hey guys, what is that on the right? Creepy black guy who wants to kill us, right? Seen you before. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Let's get on top of your seat. I haven't lost any health. Let's make sure in front. Snakes can't get you back here. Now can they? Seats are too high. Guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safer there. I just lost a bit of health, but oh well. Give me in. That person died. So bad. Guys, there's an open restroom. We will be safer there. Yes, we will. Be safer than we are. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Should we though, or should we just deal with it? I don't like talking. Talk. Power's back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. It's a little creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power's back up. Well, we know that. Bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. We're gonna die. Oxygen mask will drop over your seats. Take one quick. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize oxygen levels. Lock screen again. And we're crashing. Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to... I'm not in this. Don't bring me in this. Everyone calm down. We need to find something sharp to cut the cable. We might be able to save. I don't want to save that person. Oh, it's this. the red cable. If there's something you should know, never cut the red cable. Pretty sure. We did it. Well, I guess it worked. Never mind. Never cut the red. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. We're so slow in this game. Wow. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. I found the code. If we find it, well, we obviously know what the code is. Side of the ship. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. Yes. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. That is not possible. It is. And now, it's time to die. Oh no, oh no, no, no. So you in the afterlife. I found the button. Hooray! It's on the side. We did it. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. It just looks like we're in outer space. Because we are. We're on a platform on this plane in outer space. And all we need to do is make a sequence so we can go. Alright, let's call for help. Hello, we need help. Don't worry, we will get you home. And is everyone okay? They're still passed out. How are they talking? Yes, we're okay. Autopilot mode is on. Of course it is. Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. I wonder if we can reload. There is less than if someone needs movement. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside know. I bet that dude is gonna be the first one there. Only because he was the first one to leave the little area. He is. Tis. Num, num. Okay, everyone, I got this. You sure you got this, girl? Anyways. Oh no. The guy's here again. Oh no, it is back. It's it now. Hooray, we got an it. Mwahahaha. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Sure about that? I don't need you. Apparently. Last chance. NPC. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. I think I broke the other I am. You humans are so weak. No, you are weak. You can. I'm on your head. That's how weak you are. You can't even push me off of your head. It's gone. Wait. He said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Victory! Well, that's it, guys. Well, that's it, my little devils. Hope you had a wonderful day. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!